how can you use Trello project management tool? That is a very good question. Trello is a popular and user-friendly project management tool that uses board lists and cards to help you organize tasks, collaborate effectively. You can sign up and log in Trello website. There's different pricing. You can choose one. You can understand the Trello basic like boards, list. Boards represent a project workflow. Lists represent the stages or categories. Cards represent individual tasks or items. You can create new boards. You can add lists to your brand. You can create task cards for tasks. You can customize your task. You can checklist. You can add due dates. You can set deadlines and stuff. You can collaborate with your team members, and this is how you can exactly learn this simple Trello. Trello is basically very easy. You can even use ChatGPT to learn Trello. That's very simple. You can use other AI tools. You can utilize power ups. You can monitor your progress. Even they have mobile apps and desktop apps. You can use that too. You can use a different workflow like app development ideas to do. So this is how you can use a Trello project for project management. It's pretty simple actually.